Welcome back to Steve Rob Reviews. Today we're going to talk about what happens when you have damaged threads. Here's one right here, and boom, it stops on you. Now all I've done really is just got a hammer, and I just hammered these threads down a bit. And what do? Well, there's lots of options, and I'm going to show you an option that I like. This right here. Guys, this is a terrific tool for any do-it-yourselfer when you run into a problem of threads being damaged. I'm going to show you a couple of options here, and I'm going to tell you why some of these options don't always work too good, but this is a good option to have. I like this tool, I use this tool, and let's take a look at the options. Well, let's take a look at your two choices. Tap and die set, which I don't recommend because they're really made for cutting new threads. I haven't had much success using them to fix damaged threads. Here is my go-to right here, which is my rethreading set. And they're just fantastic, and these are a great option too. But you have to find the right pitch and the right size, and that's always been the problem. So I'm going to show you why this tool that I'm demonstrating today is a great alternative and something that I think is well worth the purchase. Well, it has been for me. So let's take a look at how it works. Okay, so let's take a look at this tool and see how it operates. And it is so simple. You do not have to know what thread pitch or size. And you just hook it on here like this. It's that simple. And you could see here how that just fits on there. Now you could see here, I can't move this. I can move it this way, but I can't move the threads here this way. I mean, they're stuck there. So I'll just back this off, and then all you do is it will just follow the pitch that you're on and take you all the way down. And now you can apply more pressure if you'd like so that it unclogs threads, and it's a universal. And how much easier is this? Now I'm using this in the vise, but I mean you could be on a piece of machinery, it could be a bolt, it could be a stud sticking out somewhere, and a lot of times a great big T-handle you can't fit in there too well, can you? So this here has saved my bacon many times with a damaged thread. And the ideal thing about this is you don't have to have a thread rethreading set to come all the way into here or from here. You can actually use this in the middle anywhere you want, and that's the best part. And here we go, spins perfectly. That's what you want right there. Well, I hope you like that. This particular one, the size that I picked, which was the most common size, I think, and this is 5/32 to 11/16. And this thing is just like a Swiss watch. It's such a fine adjustment on it, and it just works terrific. The rethreading kits are fantastic, and they have their place. I use them too. But this here is so portable, so easy, and so fast. You can just put it on anywhere you want, and it works terrific. Now the threads that I fixed right here were quite easy, but I have had some that were pretty galled up. And sometimes, in this particular situation, like you've seen on the vise here, yeah, you have to back the nut up because the threads are damaged in front of it. And that's not always so easy to do. This here is a good resolve. I hope you like this tool. I use this all the time, and for me, this is a time saver. So thanks for joining me here today. If you've never seen the Steve Rob Review channel before, you're welcome to subscribe. Come back again. Let's have some more fun. Cheers.